We're gonna go through the gazebo, through this building right here, small building, into the lazy river, and then power loop the bridge. Not bad. Now through this freaking building right here. Yo! I felt like power looping that too. Let's freaking go.